Yo, what's up guys? It's Kit or Kitanas here, back with another vlog. I haven't vlogged since literally October, I think, and it's currently July or something, so it's been a very long time. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my entire room, specifically how to set up a small room. I have a whole gaming setup in here, I'll show you guys that, and some tips on how to maximize this space in a very small area. I don't know about you guys, but I personally hate when YouTubers talk for like 5 minutes before they start their videos, so I'm just gonna get started. And if you're one of those people who are like, oh no, why aren't you sharing your entire life story before the video starts? You can come to my Twitch and ask me there. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with the mirror. It is in the corner of my room. It's huge from IKEA. It's amazing. It stands against the wall, so it doesn't take up much space at all. I'm sure you guys have all seen it in my thousands of selfies on my Instagram, on my Twitter, which you guys should go follow, by the way. So if you want a mirror in your small room, it's very ideal to have it against the wall or even like hooked onto the wall, you know, just so it takes up the least space as possible. Next, we have the bathroom, toilet. Ta-da! If you guys remember my Phase 5 video, you've definitely seen my bathroom before. Toothbrush, toothpaste for my amazing smile, soap. So I'm actually gonna get started right here with the actual setup. So as you can see, I got monitor, TV, and a laptop that all go towards streaming and playing my games. So the bottom monitor here is a BenQ 27-inch, and then this TV is actually mounted on top. As you can see, my desk is quite small. There isn't really room for a bigger desk. So mounting TV on the wall and using it as another monitor for the PC was a huge help in saving space. Yeah, here is actually my Twitch chat. This is what I see when I'm streaming, when you always see me, you know, looking to my side, reading the chat. I have literally the size of my finger to read all your messages, so it gets hard to see everyone's message. If you're getting mad at me, now you know why I can't read all of them. I'm sorry. Anyway, next in my desk here, we got face masks, my oil sheets, because my skin is very oily. Next, we have all my hoop earrings, my lip gloss, my glasses, and then finally, my allergy pills. Basically, the desk space down here is where I put everything I need while I'm streaming. All right, next we've got my mic stand. Now this was actually a recent purchase, but it's been really helpful in saving desk space, making more room for other stuff like my laptop and my ring light. And it was only like 20-30 bucks Canadian, so very good investment. And here is the actual ring light. It was literally like $5-10. We got 1 setting, 2 settings, 3 settings. Amazing. By the way, I will link all this stuff in the description. If I happen to forget something, just let me know in the comments and I will find a link for you. In this corner here, we have my actual computer. There it is, ta-da! I would brag about the specs, but they're pretty shit, so we're not gonna talk about that. Anyways, we got my controller, hard drive, water bottle, reminder to drink water, and ducky. And then here we've got my bed where all the magic happens. We got this cute blanket on top as decoration. If you've been in my stream, you know I love this blanket with all my heart. We got this book. This is the book I'm currently reading. It's pretty good so far. And the actual bed itself has a lot of extra space. Like there are these cubbies here. These 2 cabinets have all my clothes. So in here we got my headphones, some pills I take, some cards, resistance bands for when I work out. Here's my G Fuel cubby. Got my Phase shaker, Phase berry, and Phase X. And also the souvenir from Phase 5. If you couldn't tell, I'm a little bit of a fangirl of Phase. So that is another tip I would give with your furniture, your bed and everything. Try to get stuff that incorporates extra space, just like I've shown you. Just like my bed has the cubbies, the desk has those cabinets in there. It'll make a huge difference, I promise you.
I think the most annoying thing about my room is there's really narrow walking space. Sometimes it's really hard to squeeze my big fat juicy ass through it.
In the last cubby, we got some books. We have Mr. Dolphin from Hong Kong and Nino. Say hi to Nino. Here are some notes to the class I'm currently in, and here are my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Nanoleafs. These are actually really cool. There are so many patterns you can use with these. Let me try to see if I can change one right now while I'm recording. Okay, I'm kind of upset. It wouldn't let me change it while I was recording, but like, look at this pattern. These lights can move to when you're speaking. If you play music, it'll go along to the music. Like, just watch this. Boo, boo, pee, pee, poo, poo. But yeah, they're really cool. Of course, the link will be in the description if you are interested, but they're kind of expensive. Oh, and here is the closet. Yeah, we don't go in there. So next to my setup, there is this huge blank wall, and I don't know what I want to do with it. So I don't know if I want like posters or plants or paintings or something, but look. Literally, look, there's so much blank space. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know because I don't know what to put. One last thing, since you guys always think I have a broken door when I'm streaming, I will actually explain that right now. So right now I'm gonna put on the screen a picture of what everyone in the stream sees. You're gonna say, why is your door broken, Kit? Why is it crooked? But it's not, it's literally not. Here's a perfectly operating door. Watch, when I close it, it's gonna make sense. What you guys are seeing is the reflection in the mirror. That's what you're seeing. That's why it looks crooked. Please stop bullying me about it. It's literally a normal door. But yeah, have a good one. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Let me know if you want more vlogs. Bye, I love you. Anyways, I got my controller, my hard drive, water bottle, drink some water.